Let's make roasted cinnamon walnuts. Start by heating a large skillet over medium to medium-low heat. Add approximately 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, some kosher salt, and freshly grated nutmeg. Stir well to dissolve the salt. Now it's time to add approximately 4 cups of raw walnuts and stir them well with the oil to make sure all the walnuts are coated. About this time, I realized I needed more avocado oil, so I made sure to add some more to the walnuts and along with another pinch of salt. Here's where you want to add about a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and stir again to combine all the ingredients. Add the skillet to a preheated 375-degree oven and roast the walnuts for 7 to 10 minutes. After that time, take the walnuts out and spread them on some paper towels until cool. They're ready to eat. I know you're going to enjoy them. For the full recipe, please visit kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.